Hey everyone, we're going to be showing you how we harvest our hay out here to use as bedding in our nesting boxes. We've been doing this for a few seasons now. And so what we do is we let our grass grow out about 18 inches to 2 feet and as far as the height. And then we take our mower and we just mow in circles. And when you're doing those circles, you want the area on the mower that's throwing the grass out to be on the outside and not on the inside. Because if it's on the inside, it will mulch the grass instead of throwing it out and giving you a nice line that you can harvest. And so once we get that done, we mowed the area, we let it dry for about 48 hours, 24 to 48 hours. You can go 2 to 3 days. And then after that, we take a hard rake or a leaf rake to rake it up. And then we take a pitchfork to throw it into a wheelbarrow or whatever kind of container we have. And we put it into our hay storage bin. This thing keeps the hay off the ground so that it's not getting composted down with the microorganisms. And it also keeps it dry, which is really important for chicken bedding. And so we use it in our nesting boxes. We use it in our brooders. It works fantastic. The chickens actually prefer it over pine shavings, and it's free, no cost. So we just want to encourage you to do the same thing. Let an area on your property grow out. Go in and harvest it and let it dry out and use it as a bedding. And it could even be weeds, native weeds. It doesn't have to be, just coastal Bermuda. We have coastal Bermuda here. We have some other weeds mixed in, and it works really well, guys. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. Any tips for us that you think would help us with this process, we'd love to hear it. God bless y'all, and take care. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Yeah, don't even think about it. Caught you red-handed. You better get your butt out of here. Yeah, little turd. Yeah. Those are not your eggs. Snakes, they like to eat our eggs, but they help us with the rodents, so we learn to live in peace. Oh, snakes, they like to eat our eggs.